I have here this large capacity pencil pouch in purple. Compact at first glance, but looks are deceiving. Once unzipped, this thing really does expand. 2 zippers, lots of storage space. She can put her stuff in the front, her pencils, her markers, and then she can also open up the other side. Lots of room in here, and it expands, so you have a lot of room. Literally just made a pouch. You can put markers, Sharpies, even a calculator in here because this is really expanding. It's going to hold a ton without feeling bulky. I can guesstimate this thing is going to hold 40 plus pencils, a calculator, and many random extras. Expandable base, mesh pockets. It's going to let you really easily organize what you need. And I love the pen slots to keep everything really nice and neat and organized. This is definitely one of those why didn't I buy it sooner kind of things. Great for schoolwork or just keeping your desk drawers neat and tidy. Pretty purple color. The purple's vibrant, very pretty. This case feels canvasy, so I'm assuming it's going to really make it the distance this school year. I highly recommend these.